What are your characters cooking up in the kitchen? And I'm not talking about food. Kitchens can show a lot. It's the traditional domain of women, but also of the place of the mother figure. You know, the one who provides love and nurturing. The kitchen can also reveal personality. Is it warm and full of good smells? Is it homey and casual and feel relaxing? Or is it austere and cold and feels like no one ever uses it or no families gather? Is it clean and tidy or dirty and sloppy? Is it where the family congregates? Or does mom shoo everybody out? The state of the kitchen offers clues to their personality, to conflicts, to family dynamics. It's also the best place to get a knife. What's being cooked up in your story? A scheme, an alibi, nourishing food for the soul, a poisonous meal, gossip, homework hope?